They were trying to run the clock out on a romantic situation, on somebody's loyalty. They were testing somebody's romantic loyalty with dragging something out. Damn. So they were trying to run someone's loyalty to another person out. So if this legal situation was where this person felt blocked in a house, or in some kind of obligation with a house, or some kind of obligation with a domestic situation, like, this definitely feels like this was a legally binding situation that someone was in regards to a domestic situation or an actual house. If this legal situation, okay, that dragged on for a long period of time, if this was something that was causing conflict with someone's, like, putting a strain on someone's, if this was putting a strain on someone's relationship, somebody involved here wanted to, they felt like they could run the clock out on somebody's loyalty to another person. I don't know, man. I can't explain it beyond that, because it doesn't make any sense. And I'm struggling to find a way to explain what I'm getting downloaded about what this person was doing or thinking. But it's like trying to run the time out because something was strained. It was creating some kind of strain on someone's relationship with another person. And that was the intention. They thought that they could run the clock out on somebody's loyalty. Yeah. I just happened to look over and marrying for money, and I picked that card up and grudge holder was here. So this is somebody who was holding a grudge against another person for leaving the dark high priestess, who was being sneaky about something. But like I said, I heard they're phony. And they were doing something with impersonator. They were doing something in court